that's Knock Knock's outfit. Same last year. She is 2 years old of that, so still good. Turn back like that. Oh, come on. Turn around. Oh, very beautiful. For today's video, ito po yung kaganapan namin ni Naknak. So, I'm ready na before kami mag-leave sa aming bahay mga my guys. Magpe-pray muna si Mami Yang para safe travel with my baby girl. Kasi daddy is working mga my guys. So, to make sure every time na mag-drive si Mami, always ask a guidance of Jesus. Thank you Lord for the safe travel. So, nandun kami, magpunta kami sa aming neighbor mga my guys. Doon niya po yon, closer po kami dito sa bahay ng mayor, yung mga teachers, ganyan. So, may mga teachers din dito mga guys, hindi sila nag-believe ng Halloween. So, it depends sa ibang bahay. So, anyway, magpunta kami doon, and then I make sure na Knock, she don't walk too long. So, that's what I'm gonna let her drive. Sabi niya, oops, Mommy, very good. Good job. Hala, my goodness, my guys. She just tell me like that, oops, Mommy, oops, be careful. Oh, maganyan-ganyan yan siya. So, anyway, mga my guys, magpunta kami dyan. Tapos, may nagsabi sa amin na neighbor na may sa town daw ang dami. May mga ano daw doon, mga exhibition doon sa town kasi very closer lang kami dito sa town mga my guys. So, yan po yun si Naknak. So, andito na po yung Naknak memories. So, ito po yung neighborhood namin dati mga my guys na mahilig talaga sila sa mga decoration, mga activities mga my guys. So, si Naknak natatakot yan siya. Pero dito mga my guys, hindi talaga magbigay ng a lot of candy. Oy, so tingnan nyo, she is very cute. They love Naknak here. Cute daw kay si Naknak. Oh.
If you press it,
yes, thank
flash for you,
you.
so you can know that was
Wow.
would you like some candy?
Oh, thank you, Mom. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween to you.
Have a blessed night.
You want some candy? No, thank you. You're sure? You want
Oh, very cute daw kay sinaknak sa iyang little scarecrow. And then, scared na din siya dyan. Oh, hesitate siya magbigay sa kanyang bucket because he's scared of the face of that Halloween costume. So, dito mga my guys, Christmas, ang dami nilang mga activities dito mga my guys. Pero yun po yung sabi ko, tag-isa, tag-duwa. Pero okay lang. She's excited.
you out 2 pieces of whatever kind you like.
Oh, what you gonna say? Say thank you. So, wala talagang problema. So, night na kami nagpunta sa bahay dito ng aming mayor, mga my guys, no? Diyan kami nagpunta kasi yun si Mary, yung ano namin mga my guys, friend namin si Mary, she's very nice. So, dito na kami sa town. So, ito na po yung kaganapan sa town. Tingnan nyo po yun mga my guys. A lot of costume dito mga my guys. Ang daming talagang candy. So, dito magbigay sa dalawa, tag-isa. So, but we really appreciate nga my guys. Sino pa na bang magbigay sa iyo ng candy na free? O, diba? Experience lang. Knock, don't eat candy because we don't let her use when she's a baby. Until now, she is 3. We don't let her eat the candy. And then may DJ dyan. So, may mga ano dyan. Mag-parade kayo to make sure may memories kayo dyan ng mga ganyan-ganyan. So, ang dami kaya mga my guys, especially ito, 6 o'clock na itong mga guys. Ang dami kayang tao dyan. Magpa-party-party yan sila, magda-dancing-dancing yan sila dyan. But I just do videos and then nagpunta kami. Pauwi na kami ni Naknak mga my guys. And then ito po yung neighbor namin again. They know her over here because she walk here. So ito po yung mga candy niya my guys. Dinula-dulaan. They make akuan building mga my guys. O tingnan nyo yan. Hindi yan kumakain mga my guys. O diba? Ibang bata yan my guys. Maiyak na yan kasi magkain. Pero siya hindi talaga mga my guys. Na-enjoy talaga siya sa kanyang ginagawa. But I'm very grateful of this little girl. We train her not to eat candy. She said it's not good to your teeth, mommy. So anyway, thank you so much for watching.